So my name is Rebecca Lane, and I've been working at the Happy Venture Inn now for the past 8 seasons. We're located at 8 Harborview Road in the town called Happy Adventure, which is on the Eastport Peninsula. I started off working as a host here, but now I kind of help with operational management and some marketing and things. So we have a inn and a restaurant. We have 5 ocean view rooms and then a seafood and wild game restaurant. We also do boat tours and kayak tours as well, which is kind of like an extension to the business. So here at this location is Happy Adventure Inn, and a lot of people know our restaurant as Chunky's Seafood and Wild Game Restaurant. And then we also have Happy Adventure tours. Our boat tours do leave here from Happy Adventure, and then our secondary location is on Terra National Park, which is where the kayaks are located as well. We support local as much as possible. So right down over the hill is the Happy Venture Sea Products, the fish plant. So we usually get our codfish and our crab through them. We also support local through local fishermen for our lobster. And then for the wild game, we have the seal flipper pie, and we also have moose burgers and moose steaks. Any local produce, any local seafood and wild game that we can get and provide at the restaurant, we do. If we can't get it locally within the peninsula or surrounding communities, we try to get as local as possible. For example, like Atlantic caught seafood. We try to promote our portion of the province and everything as best as possible, including our alcohols. There's lots of different breweries and distilleries and stuff on the island. So, we sell kitty vitty beer in the restaurant. We also support the Newfoundland Distillery Company, iceberg vodka. So a lot of, Newfoundland products, and then Canadian products when we can't get it within Newfoundland. The slogan we have is relax, dine, explore, so that, you can come here with us, you can relax, you can enjoy a great meal, and you could explore by doing one of our tours. But really, we mainly focus on providing exceptional service, trying to accommodate and meet everyone's needs, trying to do the best we can. And we know that it's a really busy location here in the summer on the Eastport Peninsula, and there's also limited spaces for dining options. So we really try to provide the best service we can, and that's kind of what's really important for us, is that everything can be accommodated and worked out to the best of our ability, and the service is what we really emphasize on. Yeah. Especially in small communities and when it is really busy. We could be fully booked with reservations in our restaurant, but I can easily recommend another location and another establishment in the community. Just because we might not be able to do something doesn't mean that somebody else can't. And I think that in small towns, and especially in the busy season like we are right now, it is important to help each other and to support each other, and then that's how that everyone can succeed.